Greetings, fellow credit card maximizers. My name is Mark, and I officially welcome you all to quarter 4 of 2022, the final quarter of the year. Can you all believe it's finally here? Today we'll be taking a look at what I have in my wallet for this quarter. There are 3 cards pictured here on the front of this card holder. Can you guess what they are, by the way? Let me know down below in the comments if you know what they are. By the way, there are still 4 more cards not pictured here because I use those via mobile wallet on Apple Pay. So we'll be going over what these are, plus the additional 4 cards, why I have them, and why you might want to consider them as well. So let's begin with the first card that I have right here on the very top slot, which is the personal version of the American Express Gold Card. The welcome offer as of October 2022 is to earn 60,000 Amex membership rewards points after spending $4,000 on purchases in the first 6 months from opening your account. Also note that higher target offers may be available. In fact, here's one of those offers from the Resi website where you can earn 75,000 points with the same spend requirement, plus 20% back as statement credits on restaurant purchases up to $250 back total in the first 12 months. And here's one more elevated offer that you may see floating around, again on a targeted basis, to earn 90,000 points, again for the same spend requirement of $4K in 6 months. So definitely keep your eyes peeled for one of those offers if you're in the market to apply for the Gold Card. For the ongoing rewards, you'll earn 4 points per dollar on restaurants worldwide, including takeout and delivery in the US, 4 points per dollar on groceries at US supermarkets up to 25K spend per year, then 1x beyond that. 3 points per dollar on flights when you book them directly with the airline websites or via the Amex travel portal, and 1 point per dollar on all other purchases. The annual fee on this card is $250, and the reason why it's in my wallet is for my dining and grocery spend. What can I say? I spend a lot of money on food because I eat a lot of food, so therefore this card works out very well. And to help offset that rather high annual fee, this card also comes with a $120 dining credit that works on the eligible merchants that you see on the right-hand side of your screen, from Grubhub down through Shake Shack. And there's also another $120 Uber Cash benefit for food delivery or rides, and I use that every single month as well. So basically 120 plus 120 is 240, and the annual fee of $250, if you subtract that out, it's about $10 out of pocket once I recoup all that cost, so therefore not too big of a deal. We'll now skip down to the bottom for card number 2, which is the World of Hyatt card from Chase. The welcome offer on this card is to earn 60,000 points and is broken down into 2 main sections. The first section awards you 30,000 points after spending $3K in the first 3 months, and the second phase is to earn an additional 30,000 points. That is 2 points per $1 spent in the first 6 months of opening your card account, up to 15K of total spend. Moving on to the rewards, this card issues 4 points per dollar at Hyatt, double at restaurants, double on airline tickets when you buy them directly from the airlines, double on local transit and commuting, double on fitness club and gym memberships, and 1 point per dollar on all other purchases. The annual fee is $95, and the reason why it's in my wallet is due to a limited time spend offer. For the next 3 months, I'll be using this card to earn 10 points per dollar at gas stations on up to $1,500 of spend. This was actually part 1 of a 3-part offer that Chase sent to me via email, so here's the rest of it. In addition to the 10 points per dollar at gas stations, I can also earn 5 points per dollar at Amazon.com and grocery stores for up to a combined total spend of $1,500. However, I've already got Amazon and grocery spend covered with other cards, so I won't be needing the Hyatt card for those. However, 10x on gas is crazy good. You could almost consider that being equal to like a 15+% return. And in case you missed it, on the community tab of my channel, I also wrote about this offer and a bunch of others that Chase sent out on a targeted basis via email for various co-branded cards. So definitely check it out to see if you also got targeted as well. Next card, we have the Marriott Bonvoy Brilliant American Express card. And while I still have the old design right now, I also went online to my American Express account and requested the new design, and that came in the mail as well, so you can all anticipate an unboxing or an enveloping coming very soon. The welcome offer on the new revamped Marriott Bonvoy Brilliant card is to earn 150,000 points after spending $5K on purchases in the first 3 months. You'll also earn 6 points per dollar at Marriott hotels, triple on dining at restaurants worldwide, triple on flights but directly with the airlines, and double on all other purchases. The annual fee on the card is $650, and the reason why it's in my wallet is to take advantage of the $25 per month dining credit. That's actually one of the new benefits of the card. It used to be a $300 Marriott credit, but now it's $300 toward dining, and it's issued as $25 per month. And simply by using that credit, you then take your annual fee of $650 and reduce it down to a $350 effective annual fee. And so for that $350 out-of-pocket cost, you then get a ton of extra benefits benefits, including the following: Marriott Bonvoy Platinum Elite status, the ability to earn a choice reward through spend, a free night award worth up to 85,000 points, a $100 property credit they can use an infinite amount of times per year at their luxury properties, a fee credit for global entry or TSA pre-check, 25 Elite Night credits every year, Priority Pass Select membership, no foreign transaction fees, and a bunch of great other benefits. Then on the back of my card holder, I have my driver's license as well as my Bank of America debit card, which I use to withdraw cash or whatever I need to do at an ATM. So now let's move on to the next 4 cards, which I use on the wallet app of my iPhone on a mobile basis. But before I reveal those cards to you, in case you're looking for a great way to manage multiple cards, rewards programs, and a whole lot more in a very convenient way, check out the app MAXREWARDS, which can make your life a whole lot easier. MAXREWARDS is a great app to help you manage multiple credit cards, rewards, and benefits all in one place, including tracking when your bills are due, tracking your sign-up bonuses, managing all your different card balances, and more. When you click on the Activity tab, it shows you a list of all the transactions you've made across all your cards to see where your money's been spent. And it's got another menu option called Best Card, where it shows you which card you have that can give you the most amount of rewards based on the category in which you're spending. And one of my favorite features is the Benefits tab, which automatically activates all of your Amex offers, Chase offers, and more. That way you can get even more cash back and more rewards without even having to think about it. And even though Amex only shows you up to 100 offers at a time, MAXREWARDS can activate all the additional ones you can't even see. So if you'd like to try MAXREWARDS and get the gold level entirely free for your first month, check out the link down below in the description. Now back to the credit cards. My next card, card number 4, is the Discover It Cashback credit card on my mobile wallet. The welcome offer is what Discover calls the Cashback Match, where they will match all the cashback you earn at the end of year 1, which literally means that if you earn $300 of cash back in your first year, then Discover will actually give you $600. Meanwhile, the reward structure is very simple and easy to follow. You'll earn 5% back in quarterly categories that change every 3 months. Right now in quarter 4 of 2022, you're earning 5% back at Amazon.com and 5% back on digital wallet purchases on up to $1,500 in combined spend. Then 1% on all other purchases. The annual fee is $0, and the reason why it's in my wallet are for those 2 categories right there, 5% in Amazon and digital wallets, which I'm using via Apple Pay. In today's world, I'm finding Apple Pay acceptance to be extremely widespread. So for me, I view that 5% digital wallet category as basically a way to earn 5% on almost anything that I buy. In fact, throughout the entire year, all of the quarterly categories along the way have been extremely useful, including things like grocery stores, gas stations, restaurants, PayPal, and more. My next digital credit card, and my 5th one overall, is the Chase Freedom Flex. The current welcome offer right now is massive, and it has 3 separate parts. The first part is to earn $200 of cash back after spending $500 on purchases in the first 3 months. Then you'll also earn 5% cash back at gas stations for the first year on up to the first $6,000 spent. And then lastly, you'll also get 0% APR on both balance transfers and purchases for the first 15 months, then a variable APR to follow. The ongoing reward structure is also very powerful. It gives you 5% back on travel via the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal, 5% back on quarterly categories, which are currently Walmart and PayPal, on up to $1,500 in combined spend, 3% back on dining at restaurants, including eligible takeout and delivery services, and 3% on drugstores, then 1% on all other purchases. The annual fee is $0, and the reason why it's in my wallet is to earn 5% back on PayPal. So I guess I really don't need to have it on my mobile wallet app right now on my iPhone. However, I did also add the card to my PayPal account. That way, wherever I see the ability to check out via PayPal, whether it's on one of the self-pay terminals or online, for example, on bestbuy.com or anywhere else that you see that PayPal checkout option, then my card will be associated with my account and earn that 5%. The overall categories on this card have also been very useful throughout the year, including Target, Amazon, streaming, car rental agencies, and more. For me, the Chase Freedom Flex is just one of those great long-term keeper cards with no annual fee that I really do enjoy having, whether it's physically in my wallet or mobily on my digital phone. And now onto my next digital card, the Citi Custom Cash. This one has a welcome offer to earn $200 of cash back after spending $1,500 on purchases in the first 6 months, plus 0% APR on balance transfers and purchases for the first 15 months, then a variable APR to follow. And the reward structure is immensely useful because it gives you 5% back in your top spend category from the list of eligible categories listed there on the screen. So whether it's restaurants, gas stations, grocery stores, or more, wherever you happen to spend the most in any of those is where Citi will automatically issue you 5% back. You'll then earn 1% back on all other purchases. This card carries a $0 annual fee, and the reason why it's in my mobile wallet is to earn 5% back at drugstores. When you view this card in your online Citi account, it gives you a really nice dashboard showing you which category is currently winning, in other words, the one where you've already spent the most so far, and for me that happened to be drugstores. In fact, I've just been using this card only for drugstores, and there at the bottom you can see that I spent $207.69 at Rite Aid, and it awarded me 1,038 points for that transaction. I really like it when banks provide you with dashboards to track how many points you earn for certain transactions as an itemized breakdown, that we can always double check to make sure that you earned your rewards in the correct way. And my final digital card, which I also carry in physical format if I ever doubt that I might be able to use Apple Pay somewhere, is the American Express Blue Business Plus card. Right now, the welcome offer is to earn 15,000 Amex membership rewards points after spending $3,000 on purchases in the first 3 months, plus a 0% APR for the first 12 months. That is on purchases only, by the way, then a variable APR follows. This card has perhaps the most simple reward structure out of all the other ones that we've gone through today, and it's simply double on all purchases up to $50,000 of spend per year. Then beyond that, you just earn 1 point per dollar until it refreshes the next year. This card product also carries a $0 annual fee, and the reason why it's in my wallet is to earn double points on my non-category spend. And by that, I'm referring to all my purchases that fall outside of a standardized rewards category, like travel or department stores or dining, for example. So this one, rather than earning 1 or 1.5 points on all my other stuff, I use this card to earn double. And I almost forgot, since I'm giving you the full tour of my wallet, I just remembered that I have a secret part up here with another slot where I have, let's see, my cash reserves, which are currently in the form of 220s for $40 total. And with all that said, if you enjoyed today's video and believe it could benefit other people, then please help me get it in front of them by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on those notifications. That way you never miss an awesome credit card upload. Also, check out the links down below in the description area to earn some more cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, to sign up for MAXREWARDS, which is a great way to manage multiple credit cards, rewards, benefits, and more all in one place, and to view my all-new site with some great credit card offers that I've organized into different categories to help you find the cards that you like best. And if you'd like to receive more value out of this channel by receiving news and alerts, priority replies to your comments, and more, then definitely check out a channel membership on the home page by clicking the join button, or on the about page under the links section. I thank you all for watching today's video. I hope it brought you some great value to see what I'm currently doing right now in my Q4 strategy. Also, let me know what you're doing down below in those comments with your cards. I look forward to seeing you in my future uploads, and while you're waiting on my next video, always remember that you are great.